Welcome to my review of Toggl, the well-known time tracking tool that's become a go-to solution for freelancers and businesses alike. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my honest experience using Toggl, showing you how the platform works and whether it's worth the hype. Let's start by looking at the home page. As soon as you land on Toggl's website, you're greeted with a simple, clean interface, which is one of its main selling points. Toggl focuses on making time tracking easy and intuitive for users of all levels. Once you sign up and log in, you're presented with your dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your time tracking. You can start a timer with just one click, and it tracks your activities in real time. You can also manually input time entries if you forgot to start the timer. The dashboard offers a neat overview of your track time, including the option to categorize your activities and create detailed reports. One of the standout features of Toggl is its integrations. Whether you're working with project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Slack, Toggl connects seamlessly with many third-party applications. This allows you to track time without switching between apps. It's also great for teams because it offers collaborative features like team reports and the ability to assign tasks and track time across multiple projects. The simplicity of the tool means that even beginners can start using it without much of a learning curve. As we move on to pricing, Toggl offers a free plan with basic features, which is perfect for individuals or small teams just starting out. The paid plans unlock more advanced features like billable rates, additional integrations, and detailed reporting. The pricing is competitive compared to other time tracking tools, and there's a free trial for the premium version, so you can try everything out before committing. Now, if you open the description of this video, you'll find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to check that out after watching. This can help you explore more options for time tracking and productivity. To wrap up, Toggl is a fantastic tool for anyone who needs a straightforward, efficient way to track time. It's especially useful for freelancers and small businesses that want to improve their productivity and better manage their projects. Overall, I highly recommend it for anyone looking for a user-friendly time tracker that gets the job done. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and in-depth tutorials. Thanks for watching.